The brain controls balance primarily through the cerebellum located at the back of the skull, which coordinates movement, postures, equilibrium by processing sensory information from eyes, ear, vestibular system, muscles, making smooth, balanced activity possible. Other areas are inner ears vestibular system, which also sends crucial inputs to the cerebellum, allowing the brain to constantly adjust and maintain stability. Key components involved are the main little brain, the fine tunes the motor activity, ensures smooth coordination, maintains posture and balance. Vestibular system detects head motion, gravity, spatial orientation, sending signals to brain about your head position. Sensory system. Receptors in muscle, joint, skin provide feedback to the body position. That is proprioception. Brainstem that help coordinate how they work together. Input gathering, the inner ear, eyes, muscles send real-time data about movement, position to the cerebellum. Processing, the cerebellum compares the inputs, identifies discrepancies, and sends signals to the adjusting muscle activity. What happens when it is affected? Damage or issues with the cerebellum are related pathways can lead to a poor coordination, staggering, ataxia, dizziness, and difficulty with walking and fine motor skills. Physiotherapy. It improves balance through personalized program focusing on strengthening core leg muscles, enhancing proprioception, body awareness, retraining the neuromuscular system to stabilize the body. Techniques include static dynamic exercises, wobble board, single leg stands, vestibular rehabilitation, and gait training that reduces fall and improves stability. Key ways of physiotherapy help train balance, targeted exercise program. Physiotherapy designs specific exercises to improve both static, stationary, and dynamic moving balance, adapting them to the individual's needs. Strengthening muscle focus is placed on the strengthening the core, hip, back, leg muscle, which are critical in maintaining stability. Enhancing proprioception. Exercises are designed to improve the body's ability to sense its position and movement in the space, improving reaction timing in the potential stumble. Neuromuscular re-education. Training improves the communication between the nervous system and muscles, leading to faster, better postural responses. Vestibular rehabilitation. For dizziness related issues, specific